Southern Utah, Washington County has partially closed one of the venues at the Southern Utah Shooting Sports Park.
Residents from a nearby subdivision are scared, saying their homes are not target practice after bullets hit their property. ABC4's Katie Corrales reports from Hurricane.
Here at the Stone Ridge community in Hurricane, residents say this wall of rock behind me is what separates them from the shooting range. They say they're fearful every day that a bullet might strike them.
I'm just waiting for the dreaded day that somebody gets hit in this neighborhood.
Hurricane resident Eddie Mack Jones says he's counted 23 bullets that have struck neighbors' homes on his block. He says he's found bullets on his driveway.
You don't dare come out and do your yard work. You never know when one's going to come in and get you. That's the way you feel in this neighborhood.
Andrea Mansfield lives a few minutes from Jones and says her home was hit by a bullet just a few inches from her bedroom window.
Now my daughter doesn't play outside anymore. I'm too scared.
She says Hurricane police came to her home and found a suspected bullet hole, but no bullet.
2 weeks ago, the police came again and with metal detectors and were investigating a new hole.
Most of the Southern Utah Shooting Sports Park closed in late 2015 and reopened by early 2016 after local police reported similar ricochet issues. Board members overseeing the shooting park say the county commission is working with them to redesign the range and face shooting bays away from the direction of homes experiencing ricochet. ABC4 News spoke with Hurricane Mayor John Bramall, who was not available for an interview but provided a statement over the phone. He says, "We fully support the Southern Utah Practical Shooting Range and hope it'll reopen in a few weeks." We'll provide any updates of the reopening of the range. For now, reporting in Hurricane, Katie Corrales, ABC4 News.